This is question 6, 5A workbook page 44, solving word problems related to for operations. Let's take a look at this question. The total mass of a box and some oranges was 25 kilograms. The total mass of the same box and some apples was 11 kilograms. The mass of the oranges was 3 times the mass of the apples. Okay. I read it again. The total mass, box and some oranges, so box and oranges was 25 kilograms. Then you have totals again, another total. This time the total is with the same box. So the same box would mean that you get the idea. You're looking at a box here and it's the same box is happening. But this time round, different object is some apples. This is the amount. Now the next sentence says the mass of the oranges was 3 times the mass of the apples. How do you think this information can be useful? Okay, it tells you the relationship between oranges and apples. So if I were to do a little bit more on the annotation, so I have box, okay, plus orange, that's 25 kilograms. Pardon my handwriting. Then I have box, the same box, plus apples. That's a lighter amount. Then you have the oranges, their mass is 3 times of apples. Okay, so you can see that the oranges weigh more. In other words, you can tell that, okay, oranges weigh more, and you can at the same time also see, okay, look, this is where the box is happening. Okay, then what do you need to find? You need to find oranges, you need to find an empty box. Okay, so with the information that's provided, I will look at this 25 and 11. I can know what long is one is a longer bar, one is shorter bar. But perhaps in terms of drawing out the model, I think maybe it will be easier with the relationship oranges and apples. That one's probably quite direct. Okay, so I have oranges is 3 units compared to compared to apples. So I can have apple, that's 1 unit. Okay, and then I have oranges as in 3 units. Okay, so if I were to draw this neatly, okay, let me use this. Okay, so that's 1 unit for apples and 3 units for oranges. Okay, the mass of oranges 3 times the mass of apples, so that's what I'm drawing here. 1 unit for apples, 3 units for oranges. Okay, then I'm going to put in the common identity here. That's box. So I have part box and the part box. Not too sure how's the weight of the box, but it's the same box. Okay, so I can annotate this. This is for orange and this for apples. Okay, and then you can tell that it's written here orange plus the box 25. So this is the box. This is the box. And this is 11 kilogram. Okay, can you see where I can use the information provided to get me to the next step? Okay, so the greatest importance will be here. You see that 2 units down there? So I can find the 2 units using the idea of difference. Okay, that's 25 kilogram. Considering that you use 25 kilograms, when you are subtracting the 11 kilograms, you are taking away the box and you're taking away 1 unit. Okay, that is from the apples, and then you get 2 units of fruits, give you this amount. Okay, alright, that's where you get the 1 unit. And then once you get the 1 unit, you are looking forward for oranges. So you have this amount and then you divide by 2 and then you get a certain kilogram for 1 unit, and yeah, you're looking for A, that's oranges. So oranges is for 3 units. So once you reach that 1 unit, you are able to find 3 units. Okay, so 3 multiply a certain number which you have to find, and then after that you find the empty box. Should be quite alright now. You can use either identity, either the oranges, the box and the oranges, and you take away the oranges, or the apples and the box, take away the apples. Okay, right. So that's this question. So the idea is once you are able to understand the story and draw a picture or model, it really helps you to answer fairly quickly. Okay, so for the empty box, you had to do some subtraction. Don't forget to check on your units.